Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to request collaboration on Instagram. So if you want to invite a collaborator on Instagram, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once opened, click on the plus button to either start reel or post or story. So in this case, let's say I want to go with Instagram post. Select post, then select the post, and then click on next. Once you selected next, click on next. Then scroll down. Here, if you see tag people, go ahead and click on that. Once you click on tag people, then you can see invite collaborators. So click on invite collaborators. Once you click on invite collaborators, then if they accept, the username will be added to the post. It will be shared with their followers and show on their profile. So go ahead and type in the name of the collaborator. Then select it. And then you should see your collaborator here. You can invite multiple collaborators by clicking on invite again and then search for the name of the collaborator. After that, just go ahead and click on done. And then you should see tagged here. Then go ahead and click on share. Once you share this is going to share the post with the collaborator. And once you accept your invitation, then the post will also be shared on their page and then you're good. So that's exactly how to invite collaborator on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.